All right, welcome in to day number 75. I found a 10-minute line right here. It actually did reach up and touch that line. I took my trade. I got in a little earlier than maybe I should have waited till it got right up there. But I mean, I thought it was moving so slowly up to there. When it kind of hit there, I thought it's close enough. So I took it right here. And you can see in 10, 20 seconds after, kind of reached up and peaked. But this, I think this could win. You know, this 30-second trade could win. I'm going to try to be careful with the trades today. Today's Sunday. Right there's where I wanted it. Right there. Right there's where I was going to take it. Right there. And we're just going to let it go. That's right where I wanted it. I think it's going to go back down there. That's what I think it's going to do. I think it's going to hit there. I could be off on timing. Yeah, I could be off on timing. It definitely could be off on timing. It looks like it's staying up there. It's got 40 seconds, so it needs to plummet here. Let's look at it in 30 seconds. Definitely went higher than I thought it was going to go. It definitely broke above that line. 27 seconds. It still could make it, but I thought it was going to hit this line and then go down. It did not do that. Well, there it goes, 20 seconds. Let's see if I had waited. See, it's on my line right now. If I'd waited, look, it could still be in the money. It could still be in the money. It's 12 seconds. Let's see if it can hold down. Man, that would be a miracle if it was. If it holds down that 5 more seconds, just 5 more seconds. It's going to be very close. I really want to win this, but if I would have waited, if I had waited, I would have won that trade. If I just would have waited, well, I don't know. I mean, I would have had to wait till it broke through there to do that, to win that one. That's the thing. I just barely lost that one right there. Let's see if this one's gonna win. Hey, we meet up here every day, and I show you real-life binary options trading. Please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. If you do that, I promise I'll work hard to make this channel bigger and better with every single episode. I have some great news. For a limited time, you can join the Music City Trader Tribe absolutely free. All you have to do is open your Pocket Option account using my affiliate link and make your first deposit. And I'll send you 2 trading strategy ebooks and my latest trading sheets. So don't wait any longer. Go to musiccitytrader.com and click on Join the Tribe. Man, I don't know. I'm caught up here in this interesting moment. There is a moment right up here where it does. It's kind of, this is where the 10-minute line was. This black line. It's kind of holding above. It jumped above there, and it's holding above that. There is another like action line up here up top. Hopefully I can win this trade back here. Hopefully it can go back down. It looks like it's at the bottom of a consolidation. But will it go all the way down? Will it go down 25 seconds? If it just holds down below this now, if it doesn't want to shoot back up, it's kind of like that's where the last trade is that I lost. So that was like, 2 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 13 seconds. It looks like it's going to hold down. It looks like this could actually win. So I'll be back to even where I started. 7 seconds. It just needs to stay down there for 5 more seconds, 4 more seconds. Yeah, there we go. All right, that's good. But there's another action line up here, and I'm going to set my alarm for this one for right here. If it gets back up there, I think I'm going to take another down trade if it gets back up there. It looks like it's going ahead and turning. I was a little bit late. Like I said, it went above where I wanted it to go last time. So I'm going to look around here and see if I can find any other charts that look really great. I didn't look very long before I jumped into that trade. I just found that nice 10-minute chart, and I thought, well, this is it. Looks like the charts are kind of trending today. Actually, they're at least they're trending above. Yeah, that's 10 minutes. That's way up there. I'm going to just look around and see if there's any other real specific lines of interest. Nothing here that I see. Oh, here, this is very interesting. This one right here reached above here. It reached up there. It's been above there. This is a very strong line. Let's mark this one and see what it's doing in 1 minute. that right there, I don't want to get tricked, but that right there has been a pretty strong line. Look at that. It's way above there already. Wow. Last time in the 10 minutes, let's look in the 30 minutes. I don't want to get caught up in something. This looks like this area right here has been pretty strong as a line of rejection here. But I mean, it did go above it twice. It's this level right here, this little mid level. It popped above it. This is a pretty strong line right here. Let's see if we can. Let's see. Yeah, it's funny how you look at it in one time frame, and you think, oh yeah, that's totally good, and then you look at a different one, and you're like, I don't know. This could go all the way up there. It could trend way above that too. You know, honestly, it's been going way up. It's shot way up, holding here. You know, my thing is if it goes up here again, then yeah, because this doesn't have like a turnaround. This doesn't have like a real turnaround look to it, does it? But I'm going to set an alarm on that one and go back and look at the first one that we were looking at. Looks like it could go up to this second line. Looks like it might. If it gets up to this line here, what's going to happen is, I think if it gets up here, then it's going to go back down there again. That's my gut feeling. It's pretty big gut feeling. If it reaches up to that level, you know, I think it'll probably turn around there. That's a pretty big line. At least we could get a little bit of a turn back. So this is what I think it's going to do. It's going to go back up here, and then it's going to shoot back down. But let's see if it can make it. Let's see if it does shoot up. It's at 30 seconds. Let's look at it in 30 seconds. See if it reaches up there, then we can snipe down on it. If not, I don't know. Moving kind of slow, but it's steadily up. Definitely reaching new heights and then being pushed down. So this orange line is really the line I'm looking for. Yeah, look at that. It's jumping up. It could be an RSI touch, although the RSIs have been a little bit breaky. They've broken through achy breaky RSI lines. Look at this. This is going up. It's got some strong up pressure. It could go up there. It could jump up there anytime. It looks like it wants to shoot. And if it does, then I could put it. It's just, so I'm going to kind of watch this chart right here and just see what happens. Yeah, it's going slow. It broke off this line here. It didn't get up there all the way. My fear is that it would just shoot up here and then just shoot through like it did this one. It broke that line before, so there it goes. It reached my level. That's the level I wanted it to reach. I think it's going to reach higher, and I think it's going to go all the way up there. It's going kind of slow, but it's definitely going. It's got the RSI touch there. It touched RSI there, and it's kind of, I just don't think that's it, though. I don't think that's the full RSI touch. I mean, last time it hit that level, it went down quite a ways. Set another alarm right there. Take a look at this one. Oh, wow. Look at that one. This one's going up to that level too. This is CAD CHF. So both CHFs are going for a high level. If this one hits up here, then I think I'm going to take this 2 minute up here. It kind of went up and then it waited. Let's see if it can break up here. It's 92% payout. Let's watch it. There, it's hit my level. Euro CHF hasn't hit my level yet. I'm watching this one. Slowly moving up, but got some pretty big up pressure. I do think that it's definitely a broken RSI. That's the only thing about this one that looks kind of weird. But that doesn't mean it won't hit this level and just break out. If it's got to jump. There it's jumped there. There it is. It hit the level, so I'm going to take it. Let's see if it'll break through like the other one. Oh, look at that one. That one finally did. It never really made it all the way up. it did what I thought it was going to do, but it didn't reach all the way up yet. You know, that one is, man, I don't know. This one's back and forth. I'm not going to do anything on that one. I'm going to watch this one and really try to get a feel for what this one's doing. This one has a big level right in here, and I really thought this is a pretty high level. It's reached up there a couple times. It's reached up there. You know, it's not the exact science of a level here. This is the top. I mean, this is definitely a top level that it had a hard time getting above. It went above it, went back down it, went back down, went back down, went back up, went back down. This one's, to me, this one's promising. This is just how I've been trading. I've been trying to keep my cool, trying to keep my cool. Sunday nights seem to be okay. I feel like maybe the market's open somewhere in the world on Sunday night. I mean, I think they are kind of back open. So they move sort of Sunday evening for some reason. They sort of seem like they move kind of like they do like during my normal 11 o'clock hour. Now I hope it doesn't retest that too much, but yeah, look at that. It's kind of hit that level and broke really down. Now it's kind of farting around 18 seconds. I'm on 10-second candles. I don't like watching 10-second candles because they're so jumpy. And this is 10 seconds. Just hold this down for 10 seconds. That's in the 30-second view now, so that's fairly safe as long as it doesn't jump back up. Yeah. There we go. There's a win. 792. So into the money right now by one trade. Let's see here. This went up to there last time. Let's see if we can get another minute. I'm going to take a minute and a half. I did pretty good at a minute and 30 last time. See if we can get this to hit that line. Then we're going to hit another minute and a half down. It is trying to go higher every time, so I'm going to wait and see till it jumps. If it jumps, I'm going to go ahead and take it. So kind of making higher highs, and then it's kind of going off. There we go. There's jumping. All right. We'll see if it can release off here. Let's look at the 10 seconds, see what happens. Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty strong 10-second level right there. My trade's fairly good, although it did kind of go back up. It kind of jumped back up. I think what's going to happen, though, in the 10 seconds overall, I think it's going to go like this. I think it's going to go back down like that. Let's watch 30. It's getting stuck up there. It's got like a little bit of a mind to go up, but I think it's going to go back down to here. This right here is the other line that it wants to go down to, I think. It's got 40 seconds. I don't like that it's going higher. I set up a little bit of a consolidation here, but I do like that. That it got kind of crazy. It said, no, I want to go down. It's going to fight this line here because that line right there, that it broke it before. It just doesn't look good in the 30 seconds. It's only got 15 seconds left. It needs to shoot down now. It doesn't seem like it is. It's slowly just creeping up, Looks like that will be a loss. Maybe I shouldn't have taken that second trade on that line. I mean, it's kind of been going up. It's breaking a little higher, going up, broke a little higher. I'm not gonna do any more on that one. I'm gonna watch and see. This one definitely hit the RSI down there. I don't know. Not really sure because now I'm just back where I started. Yeah, this is just little candles going down. Okay, this one. Got pretty low. Yeah, that's interesting. It's been going up in an upper channel, but it actually went down. It broke Broke down on that level. Let's see. My gut feeling is this is going down. So I'm taking a $25 3-minute trade on the put side on this one. This one has been going down. I think what's going to happen is it's going to push. It's going to actually break. It's going to break. What's that called? I was kind of right here, a little bit late. I was kind of right here, a little bit late. I took a little bit longer trade this time because I think what's going to happen is it's going to break down this level. It's going to go down to, I'm not sure where the next line is. Maybe like right here. Yeah, that's the next line. So it's going down there. It's going down there now, but CAD CHF is out for some reason. It's off. It turned itself off. I don't know. Maybe some of the markets are opening and closing right now. $6.30 on a. This is interesting. Let's see, is this one? This one's good. This one's good. This one's going to win probably. It's going to keep going down. I've got 1:41 left on it. Hopefully, unless it has a big rebound off that line right there, it should win. Then I'll have loss, win, and if I'll have a win here, then I'll be in the money a little bit if I win this one. It's got 1:24. Let's just hope it keeps going the way it's supposed to. I'm going to look around, see if anything else looks like it's setting up anything. None of that looks good. That looks like it jumped way off the bottom. This one, I think, let's just watch this now. We've got a minute left. It'd be nice to watch this one play for a minute. Nice. It's going to go down here. This one right here. So let's say it goes down here and hits this. There's an RSI touch in the 32nd. Yeah, look at that nice little RSI touch. I think it might go up from here. Yeah, it kind of wants to go up. Is it going to break? There, it kind of breaks under. The 1 minute hasn't touched yet, but that 32nd, it's just kind of dangerous. I don't know, because I'm not sure this chart, I think, is heading down. It's kind of breaking its pattern. We will win this trade. I'm not sure if this RSI is going to break or not. It's like, it kind of, let's look at it in 10 seconds and see. It's kind of been going down and it kind of broke. I think it's going to wind up and break down. Yeah, I think it's going to break down. Yeah, it broke that line, and it's going to head back down even more, I think. So 1 minute is going to have a touch in the 1 minute. That was a win, so we have a win. So we're at 790. So we're actually in the profit now. This one is just going straight down. It's kind of pulling up here. It wants to pull up, but honestly, that's fine if it wants to pull back up. I think this is going to go down. So I'm gonna do like, this is really like a trend surf. Kind of an iffy call down, or iffy put down here, because I kind of got in late on it, but I made it a 2 minute because, or a three. I'm sorry, I made it a 3 minute because of just the way this chart is going. It's probably going to wind up here and it's going to go down. It's going to keep going. That's fine if it touches up here. What I think is going to happen is it's going to go like this. It's going to, even if it touches up here, it's going to go down. If it doesn't, then this would be a total loss. But it's got 2 minutes. Yeah, that's RSI touch at the bottom. But I feel like it's wind up for a down. It kind of pushed off this top, and it's been heading down. So I still think this could win. I don't like my position necessarily, but because I took a 3 minute on sort of a trend surf. I think it'll win. I think it's going to... originally, I guess I thought it was going to go like this. It was just going to keep going, So I took my trade right there, thinking that it was going to break down. But we'll see. This could be a win, and if it does, then I'll be up 2 wins. It's taking its little sweet time. It's taking its sweet time. I hope this line right here was sort of a line of, what do you want to call it? Where do we have anything down here? I'm not sure what we have here. It keeps bouncing off that, but where is this? See, there's nothing down there. It's just having a hard time getting down. Got 1 minute. It's having a hard time getting back down, but I tend to think it's going to, because it has been traveling downwards. It's bounced up a few times. There it's in the money with 1 minute left. It doesn't mean a lot because it's got to break this line. It's got to break this line right here. This is sort of, what can we call this? Like this bright green line. It's got to break that. There it goes. There it goes. That looks good. That looks really, really good. If it keeps breaking that, then I'll have this win. Maybe for this Sunday, this will be it. I started having a headache. There, look at that. That's so beautiful. It's breaking down on that line. Let's go into 30 seconds and watch it. Yeah, if it doesn't come back up, it broke that bottom wick. Yeah, it's breaking that wick and it's holding down. That's really, really, really good right there. I feel like I'm doing like a golf tournament tonight. Yeah, it's holding down. It's got 12 seconds. Come on, baby. Don't come back. Don't come back up. See, yeah, it's broke down below that line. Now it's holding down. It's feeling like it's like, oh no, 3, 2, oh, that's a win. That's a win. Very, 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 very close. Yeah, it wanted to win. It wanted to win, and it just... This was a 3-minute trade. And it probably would have lost it too, because yeah, it wasn't quite down there. It's at 8:13. Okay, so 8:13. Let's look at where we're at right now. Let's look at where we're at. I think I have 1.32% gain, which is good enough. We have $42 gain, 1.32%. And I think I'm going to stop there because I'm just getting tired, and it is a Sunday night, day 75 on this climb. I had a little bit of a headache, so I started trading. I thought maybe it would make me feel better. I don't know. My headache was getting better now. I think this will continue down, but that's going to be it for tonight. That's going to be it for this big session, and I'm pretty happy with that. A little bit of profit. We're going to go into this week climbing up to our 100 days. We are doing very well. Climbing up to our 100 days, we're really at 206% gain over this 75 sessions. So I'm pretty happy with that. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to musiccitytrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to musiccitytrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at musiccitytrader.com.